What up, what up? Beautiful day today. And we're taking this Subaru Samber cake truck. And we got little stuff back here. My little brother Koji, he's throwing a party on a yacht. So we're just on the way to there. So it'll be a fun day today. Here's the cruiser boat we rented. We're gonna be partying up here. We got all the alcohol ready, champagne, all the good stuff. Packing in the little bar we have in the boat, and we got sponsored by Red Bull for this event. We got like a 200 Red Bull provided. Just put in the beer in the fridge. It will be a cool one. I'll show you guys the inside later. We gotta unpack this and got more alcohol coming. It's pretty insane how big it is. We got rooftop and a whole bottom section like VIP lounge. It'll be sick. Got all the stuff ready to go. This is the bar. And I'll take you guys to the whole setup. The AC. We got the whole top floor. Baby, let's go. So VIP. Alright. Driver's seat. Come on, let's go. Also, today's party is sponsored by this tequila. I don't even know how to read this, but this tequila. So we got all the staff in. Now all the other people we're picking up everyone else here. Yup, party successfully done. It was hella fun. We're on the way to club in Shibuya. We're gonna take a bus. We rented a huge bus. We're gonna cruise to Shibuya now. We're getting this bus to go to the after party. Well, party's over. We're in the underground train. Well, I can't end the day without car content, so I am going to pick up a car. Well, actually, I bought it like a few while ago, but I sold it before I even went pick it up. So now I'm picking it up and driving it home. Bro, I never been this train station. It's a Harry Potter theme. So sick. Middle of Tokyo. The underground train station though. All this building on top of it. Here is the car. I probably haven't showed you guys on YouTube, but I've been posting it on my Instagram. And finally I came to pick it up. Didn't have a chance to come this way, Tokyo side. But this is JZX100 Kota, and it's already sold. It's all black. It's hard to see in dark, but maybe you get the idea. It's pretty good. Made it to NL's gas station. Here's the better view of the Cresta. Shit's tight. It's solo. Gangster. Fully dressed back. Full aero. Super tinted out. どう思いますか? What do you think? Eh? She thinks this is like gangster's car. I think so too. Murdered out. Noritai, you wanna ride? You're too cute for this car. Huh? You're too cute for this car. This thing is already sold. 1JZ turbo, 5-speed drift taxi. I think I'm gonna end today's episode here. It was yesterday, but we had a fun party all day and picked this thing up, and we successfully came home. And tomorrow we're gonna go drift in the new chassis S15 right here. I put my wheels, I worked on it, put Martin's spacer, adjusted height. I'm about to do quick alignment and make sure. I changed the seat rail on this thing because it had this type of seat rail. It was all connected one piece. It doesn't sit as low. So I gotta get this car ready next by this weekend. Just gotta get tires, flip front tires, and fluids. Be all ready to go. And it will be fun, another fun weekend. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit the bell button. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Alright, drive safe. I'll see you on the track.